Every result comes from our diligence and perseverance. While aiming for remarkable achievements, we are also committed to sustainable innovation and the common good of the environment, completing the Wiwynn mission and vision. Although the pandemic changed our work and lifestyles, it made us focus more on our workflow processes and the effectiveness. Processes such as supply chain management were improved to satisfy customers' needs and create high-quality products. Meeting the ever-changing world, we will continue to do what is right. This is our land, our earth, our home. Extending our love to the ocean, we work hard to afforest our coasts, develop energy-saving materials, and use green energy, achieving the goal of net zero policy. From cloud to edge, we're gradually linking every visionary part of a smart factory. To name one such vision is our commitment to improve energy effectiveness via developing liquid cooling technology. For our community, we wish to drive innovation and transformation with our employee, customers, and suppliers. Taking a step into the greener world, it starts with us.